A message to find you when it's meant to find you. Let's have a look. Whenever you talk to us, it never goes unheard. We hear every single word. This is your confirmation that we are assisting you, guiding you, and ensuring your wishes finally come to fruition. Be patient, everything will come together for you. So, your spirit team wants you to know that every prayer, every thought, every whisper, hope has been received. You are never alone in moments of doubt when it feels like nothing is happening. Trust that divine forces are working behind the scenes. The path may not always be clear, but every step you take is leading you towards something greater. And I'm getting a strong message that your spirit team and your angels are saying, be patient, stay open, and know that your desires are aligning in ways